Thanksgiving Morning Mayhem, a story of family, food, and flying turkeys. Bob stumbled into the kitchen, the scent of coffee and cinnamon promising a perfect Thanksgiving day. But the big bird in the sink felt less like dinner, and more like a granite boulder. "Oh dear," Bob muttered, poking the massive bird. "The turkey is still a complete ice block." Thanksgiving tradition dictated that they must pretend the bird would thaw on time. Bob tried warm baths, hairdryer blasts, and even some cheerful persuasion. Finally, he wrestled the icy beast into the microwave, muttering, "We need the emergency thaw button for something this serious." Soon, the parade of helpers arrived. Susan brought a steaming green bean casserole. Aunt Linda carried 6 large trays of rolls, and cousins Clara and George brought pure, joyful energy. The kitchen instantly transformed into a busy, beautiful mess. "We need 5 pounds of mashed potatoes," shouted Aunt Linda from the hall. Bob grabbed the biggest masher he could find. Clara and George helped pour in the cream. "Just a little more butter," Bob winked, adding a whole stick. "It's the secret ingredient, extreme holiday butter." While the potatoes mashed, Aunt Linda was busy with the stuffing. She made enough to feed a small army, a large kingdom, and perhaps a friendly dragon. The counter filled up, bowl after bowl of fluffy bread, sausage, and herbs. The ultimate test of the morning: oven traffic control. Rolls needed 10 minutes, the green beans needed 20, and the turkey, miraculously thawed, still needed to reach exactly 165 degrees. Bob peered inside the steamy, cramped oven. Just as the smoke alarm sniffed the air, Susan pulled the rolls out perfectly golden. Everyone stopped. They looked around at the flour, the bowls, the chaos, and smiled. Family mattered more than perfect timing. The moment of truth, pie time. 2 pumpkin, 1 apple, and Bob's famous pecan supreme. George wanted the centerpiece, Clara wanted a crust corner. Bob knew only one strategy would work for dessert diplomacy. Bob raised a glass of sparkling cider. "Look at this table," he declared, waving a hand over the beautifully imperfect feast. "We made a little mayhem, we made a lot of food, but most importantly, we made memories. Happy Thanksgiving!